Now, I've always thought that with a normal router, you could get away with, everything at home. Pretty much using any device, your game consoles, your PC, and your smartphones. But with my current router, I realized that is not true. The thing is that my router now tends to die off randomly when I'm using, and I can say randomly because when I'm using either Netflix, have a couple of Echo devices, also my game console and my PC, and everybody's streaming here, then it just gets nasty. And my router just decides to die off, reboot itself, or just power off because of high temperatures. Now for me, changing the router wasn't that important until I realized that my computer was 10 gigabit, my modem was 10 gigabit, and my router wasn't. So today we are unboxing the Asus router AC66U. Now the cool thing about this router is that it runs with 1 gigabit, which is the main reason why I got this router. And it has a good price standpoint, right? It's not too expensive, it's not that cheap, but it's just in the mid-term, the right, price range where you get good quality and good price. And pretty much it's straightforward. It has triple the range, the network range that my current router has. And I'm not throwing any shade into my Linksys router, but it's not that good anymore. It's pretty old, and after I realized that Belkin purchased, nothing against Belkin, but Linksys is not Linksys anymore. So, at least for consumers, Linksys is not Linksys anymore. So I decided to go with something different. In this case, I got myself the Asus router. I've been loving Asus for a while. I got a few of their products. Usually my computer components is the main thing that I get from Asus, but they have been getting better and better, and they started doing different devices. In this case, router, right? And the cool stuff about this also is that this one actually can mesh, which is interesting. Right now I only have this one, but if I have more Asus router, I could actually connect all of them and just create a gigantic network or a giant mesh of routers, and you won't have signal loss, and it will just share through the whole area, I would say, which for me is definitely fantastic, right? And besides that, it has better coverage. I want to try out their new interface, I would say. I'm used to using the normal Linksys interface, but this is a little bit different. It's using WRT. It's kind of a custom option for them. And hey, nothing else to say, but let's go into the unboxing. So pretty much the Asus RT-AC66U is it's a normal AC router. The main reason why I changed or I'm getting this router is because I have an extremely old router. It's supposed to be like a Linksys 1300 or something like that. Super old. It's just killing me. I think it's time already to change. I've had the other router probably for 5 or 6 years now. Yeah, more or less 5 to 6 years. So it has been a long time since I've been having that older router. And the thing is that the router is not totally broken or it's not dead. Nevertheless, when I start streaming using multiple different devices and all this stuff, I don't know if it's just because of power issues or anything like that, but the router itself would just go off, will reboot itself, or just freeze. And literally, my whole home is dependent of the functionality of the router. Now the interesting thing about this router though is that they have like 2 versions of the same thing, but one has like support for Merlin, the custom firmware from Asus. So that's why I got this version, and I'll actually put in the link of this product in the description below so you can check it out as well. Sometimes they have some deals. This is a really good price. It's not top of the state-of-the-art technology, because obviously there are much more expensive routers and newer routers, but I believe this one will make the cut. So let's see what's inside here. Asus always come in with normal boxes, so pretty much is Go back there. So, what does it say here? AI Cloud, Gigabit Ethernet, which is one of the main reasons why, right? For better streaming and better gaming. Wider coverage. So according to this, it actually gets even farther. Enhanced media server, wireless printers, which is cool. If I connect a printer to the... If I have multiple printers, I can connect them to the router. I do not have wireless printers anyway. What else? Asus WRT, which is the one that I'm talking about. It's actually different from the normal Linksys WRT that people tend to use all the time, right? Guest network, which is good because sometimes I got a lot of people that come in here and they want to use my Wi-Fi, so I just give them the guest network and hey, VPN server. So anyways, let's go back here. So instructions. Oh, it's in spam. There it is. Fast, easy setup. One, prepare your modem, blah 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 blah. All the good stuff. And Spanish, rápido, sencillo, configurado. Yep, I speak Spanish too. Nope, no troubles. So let's see, normal things, right? It's an unboxing, nothing spectacular. So, power block. Really hefty one. Okay. And the main cord. But before that, let's see what else we have here. Yes, obviously, Ethernet cable. You know, that can never be missing. CD, I still don't know why they keep on giving this. My PC doesn't even have a CD-ROM. I guess it's normal, right? There are companies that don't even give you a CD anymore, but probably we should start having maybe a little USB, right? 1 gig USB. Put it in for us and give us the data. And VIP member warranty notice. Okay, so again, here is the router. Fancy, nice, kind of cute, a little bit elegant though. Oh, it's actually heavier than what I thought. I thought it was even smaller, but this doesn't look bad. 3 antennas. As you can see, I'm just gonna move this over. Whoop, whoop. Obviously 3 antennas, power input, USB port, obviously, power button, Ethernet, and internet actually, and then Ethernet. You have the other 4 ports, and this is a WPS button for password, all this stuff, connectivity. And then in the front we have a USB 3.0, and that's pretty much all that you can find in this particular router. Now, the Asus AC66U is a pretty nice, hefty, elite, I would say elite router from Asus. It's still in the, I'll say the mid-range routers. Nevertheless, it actually has good performance from other friends that I have talked with about it. And I believe that this was actually the best option to do an upgrade on your network, actually. Why did I not go? I didn't go with the much more fancy and expensive. And then again, with my ISP and my network connectivity, I don't think it's worth it. That's the reality. I don't think it's worth it. Nah. Okay, so afterwards, I'm gonna also show you a few speed tests with my current router and then speed tests with this new router connected, and let's see how it goes. Hey, I hope you liked the video. Remember to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter, Twitch, and Facebook. See ya!